Welcome to Wow Decor Tube, where creativity meets nature and everyday materials turn into inspiring design stories. Today's journey invites you to slow down, breathe deeply, and reconnect with the raw beauty of the natural world through nature inside. Amazing live edge and raw wood furniture ideas. This video is about more than furniture. It's about emotion, balance, sustainability, and the quiet joy of bringing nature indoors. As modern life becomes faster and more digital, many of us long for spaces that feel grounded and real. Live edge and raw wood furniture answer that desire by preserving the soul of the tree and celebrating imperfections that tell a story. Biophilic eco-design is not just a trend. It's a response to how humans naturally feel more relaxed, creative, and happy when surrounded by elements of nature. Raw wood furniture speaks directly to this instinct. The uneven edges, visible grain patterns, knots, cracks, and natural curves remind us that life is not manufactured to be perfect. Each slab of wood carries its own history shaped by years of sun, rain, wind, and soil. When that history becomes part of a table, bench, shelf, or chair, it transforms a room into a living, breathing environment rather than just a styled interior. Live edge furniture has a special magic because it refuses to hide where it came from. Instead of trimming away the natural edge, the design honors it. That edge becomes a visual rhythm, sometimes dramatic, sometimes subtle, but always honest. In a world full of straight lines and factory finishes, this honesty feels refreshing. A raw wood dining table becomes the heart of the home, not because it is polished to perfection, but because it feels alive. You can run your hand along the edge and feel the story of the tree, creating a personal connection between nature and daily life. The beauty of this design style lies in its versatility. Raw wood works just as beautifully in a modern apartment as it does in a rustic cabin. Paired with metal legs, it feels industrial and contemporary. Left more natural, it leans warm and organic. This flexibility makes it appealing to a wide audience, especially viewers looking for unique home decor ideas that stand out while still feeling timeless. The contrast between refined living spaces and untamed wood creates visual interest and emotional depth that mass-produced furniture often lacks. What makes this approach especially inspiring is its accessibility. Many live edge and raw wood projects begin with found or reclaimed materials. Fallen trees, discarded slabs, old wood rescued from demolition sites. All of these can become stunning furniture with patience, creativity, and basic tools. This aligns perfectly with eco-conscious values and the growing desire to reduce waste. Instead of seeing irregular wood as a problem, this mindset sees it as an opportunity. Each unusual shape invites imagination and problem-solving, turning design into a creative dialogue with the material itself. There's also room for humor and playfulness in these designs. A raw wood bench that leans slightly, a table leg that follows an unexpected curve, or a shelf that looks like it grew straight out of the wall can bring smiles as well as function. These small, whimsical details make furniture feel approachable and human. Humor in design doesn't mean lack of quality. It means warmth, personality, and a sense of joy. When furniture feels friendly, people connect with it emotionally, and that connection is what makes a piece truly memorable. Functionality remains at the heart of these creations. Live edge desks inspire productivity by grounding workspaces in nature. Raw wood coffee tables become gathering points for conversation. Shelves made from natural slabs offer storage while doubling as sculptural art. The balance between usefulness and beauty is what defines great design, and raw wood furniture achieves this effortlessly. It doesn't demand attention, it earns it quietly through presence and authenticity. For creators and makers, this design philosophy opens the door to meaningful and profitable opportunities. Handmade, eco-friendly furniture has strong appeal in today's market. Buyers are increasingly interested in pieces that tell a story, support sustainability, and feel one of a kind. Raw wood furniture checks all those boxes. Because no two slabs are the same, each finished piece becomes unique by default. This uniqueness adds value and allows creators to stand out in a crowded market without relying on mass production. From a business perspective, the process is deeply satisfying. Watching a rough, uneven piece of wood slowly transform into a functional object is rewarding on both a creative and emotional level. The finishing process enhances the grain rather than covering it, allowing the wood's natural beauty to shine through. The result is furniture that feels honest and intentional, qualities that customers recognize and appreciate. This connection between maker, material, and buyer forms the foundation of sustainable creative success. Biophilic design also has proven benefits for well-being. Spaces that incorporate natural materials tend to feel calmer and more inviting. Wood, in particular, has a warmth that softens rooms and reduces visual stress. When viewers bring these ideas into their own homes, they're not just decorating, they're shaping environments that support relaxation, focus, and emotional balance. This deeper impact is what makes nature-inspired design so powerful and enduring. As you watch this video on Wow Decor Tube, you'll notice how raw wood furniture changes the energy of a space. Rooms feel less staged and more lived in. They invite you to slow down, touch the surfaces, and appreciate the details. This experience is what many people are seeking today: authenticity over perfection, meaning over excess, and connection over convenience. Live Edge furniture embodies all of these values in a quiet, confident way. If you're enjoying today's content and feeling inspired by the idea of bringing nature inside through Live Edge and raw wood furniture, we'd love to hear from you. Please take a moment to like this video, share it with your family and friends, and leave a comment below. Your support helps Wow Decor Tube continue creating content that inspires creativity, sustainability, and joy through design. As we come to the end of this journey, remember that nature is not something separate from our homes. It can be part of them. Raw wood furniture invites the outdoors in, reminding us that beauty exists in imperfection and strength lies in authenticity. Whether you're a maker, a design lover, or simply someone searching for a warmer, more meaningful space, these ideas offer inspiration that goes beyond trends. Thank you for spending this time with Wow Decor Tube. Keep creating, keep exploring, and keep letting nature guide your sense of style.